Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So before we actually enter the month of December, I want to give you guys a heads up on what I'll be doing on my channel this year. So last year I did Nailmas. Yes, what is Nailmas, what it is about. So Nailmas is essentially doing videos right through. It's very similar to vlogmas. I'll be doing nail videos right through until Christmas. I did this last year. It was an epic fail because I started YouTube really late, and since I have some subbies here that I want to shout out, so I'll do that later down in the video. So I'll be posting Christmas nail videos throughout Christmas, as I said. I'll be doing different nail designs, maybe a nail makeover each and every day. Guys, I am excited. So as I said, I'll be doing videos right through December until Christmas, so stay tuned for all of that. I'll be posting 3 times a week, maybe 4. So please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you won't miss a upload from me, because I'm posting 3 times a day. No, I'll be posting 3 times a week, or maybe 4. Come on, that's a deal that you cannot miss. So if you're down for this, please hit that like button, comment down below, Nailmas, and also share it with your favorite nail YouTuber so it can be a thing in the nail community. Can you hear how excited I am? Yes, I'm pumped. I'm ready. I am ready for Christmas. I started playing Christmas music. I'm pumped, I'm excited, I'm ready. So if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on that post notification just to see when I upload, and hit that like button and comment down below. I want to give a shout out to these subbies that subscribed to my channel very recently. Thank you so very much for joining the fam. I really do appreciate you. Thank you so very much for watching my YouTube video. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thank you so very much. Peace. I'm out.
Weakness comes and goes, it goes, it goes. My weakness echoes in my soul. Oh, it echoes in my soul. My weakness comes and goes, it goes, it goes. I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. Comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. weakness comes and goes, it goes, it goes. My weakness echoes in my soul. Oh, it echoes in my soul. My weakness comes and goes, it goes, it goes. I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.